Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add audio spectrum to your video on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on InShot. So I'm going to select video and select new, and we can choose a video we want to add audio spectrum to. I'm just going to select a video from my gallery. Wait guys, I'm still choosing my video. Okay, for example this one, I'm going to add audio spectrum to this video, and then I'm going to add this video to the InShot project. Alright, and then if we want to add audio spectrum, we can go to the PIP and then go to the InShot material, and we need to go to the atmosphere right here. Go to the atmosphere category, and then make sure you have good internet connection to download the audio spectrum for your video. Here you just need to scroll down until you find the audio spectrum. Okay, keep scrolling down. Okay, and these are the audio spectrum you can add to your video. And for example, I'm going to choose this one. Make sure you have good internet connection to download this material. Okay, now the audio spectrum is being downloaded. Okay, I'm going to tap on that, and now the audio spectrum has been added to my video or my project. And you can zoom in like this to fit the screen. Alright, and this is the result. Okay, and to make my video more captivating, I'm going to add music. I'm going to go to the music, and I'm going to add music from my device. Okay, this one. Oops. Okay, and this is the final result. I'm going to mute my original video. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to export my video. If we want to export, we can click on export, then we can choose the resolution and just tap on export, and the video will be saved to our device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add audio spectrum to our video on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.